Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking the fundamentals. Pick a narrow niche, then choose 1 to 3 affiliate offers with clear commission rates and cookie windows so you know expected ROI. Once done, map your audience, what they search, where they hang out, and what problems they need solved. Make sure to set a simple tracking sheet for links, conversion goals, and content ideas. This prevents scattered effort. Do these first tasks right, and you'll have the foundation to drive measurable traffic and meaningful clicks. Now build a practical content and traffic engine. Write conversion-focused pieces, review, comparison, and how-to content, and pair them with short videos and email sequences to retarget warm visitors. Make landing pages with one clear CTA, tracking pixels, and simple A/B tests so you learn which messages convert. Once live, allocate budget across SEO-driven keywords and small paid tests. Measure CPA and scale winners. Keep iterating weekly, because steady improvements compound into reliable affiliate income streams over months. Finish by optimizing and scaling what works. Review CTR, conversion rate, and earnings per click. Pause low performers and double down on pages or ads that show profit. Once scalable, expand ad sets, add related keywords, and negotiate higher payouts with programs. If results drop, check tracking links, pixel fires, and landing page redirects. Ensure offer compliance and refresh creatives to avoid fatigue. Make sure to keep testing small changes. Headline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.